Welcome back to Trivia Quiz Arena. Think you can name these birds? Most people fail the hard level. Let's start with easy level. This powerful bird is known as the king of the sky. Eagle. Eagles have incredible eyesight. Awesome start. This colorful bird is famous for mimicking human speech. Parrot. Some parrots can learn hundreds of words. This bird is active at night and has excellent hearing. Owl. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Nice! This tall pink bird often stands on one leg. Flamingo. Their pink color comes from their diet. This flightless bird lives in cold regions. Penguin. They're amazing swimmers. This bird has a large fan-shaped tail with bright feathers. Peacock. Those feathers are used to attract mates. Impressive. This tropical bird has a huge, colorful beak. Toucan. That big beak helps regulate body temperature. Level 1 complete. Now let's move to the medium level. Get ready. This bird is the national symbol of the United States. Bald eagle. It was chosen as the U.S. emblem in 1782. Great job! This large water bird has a long bill and throat pouch. Pelican. They use that pouch to scoop up fish. This is the largest living bird in the world. Ostrich. They can run up to 45 miles per hour. That's fast. You're halfway through. How many do you have so far? Drop your score below. This bird pecks at tree trunks to find insects. Woodpecker. They have shock-absorbing skulls. This graceful white bird is often associated with lakes. Swan. They can form strong lifelong bonds. This tiny bird can hover in midair. Hummingbird. Their wings can beat over 50 times per second. Nice catch! Time for the hard level. Let's see how sharp you are. This powerful rainforest eagle hunts monkeys. Harpy eagle. It has one of the strongest talons of any bird. Impressive. This massive seabird can glide for hours over the ocean. Albatross. They have one of the largest wingspans in the world. This colorful seabird has a bright beak and nests on cliffs. Puffin. They use their wings to fly underwater. Awesome! This large flightless bird has a helmet-like crest on its head. Cassowary. They are considered one of the most dangerous birds. This African bird hunts snakes by stomping them. Secretary bird. They can kick with incredible force. Great job! This tropical bird is known for its massive curved bill. Hornbill. Some species seal their nests inside tree trunks. This Australian bird is famous for its loud laughing call. Kookaburra. Its call sounds like human laughter. How did you do in the hard level? How many did you get out of 20? 0 to 7, Bird Beginner, 8 to 14, Sky Explorer, 15 or more, Bird Expert. Comment your score and subscribe for more fun family quizzes.